Beautiful. What's up, Orlando? Dr. Jones coming at you from Infinite Wisdom Chiropractic, and today we have Jonathan here. Jonathan has been our patient here for a couple weeks now. He came in with some pretty severe neck pain that started on his right side and radiated down to his shoulder through his arm, as well as just tension in the back of the neck and in the mid-back, which was causing lack of focus, irritability, and frequent headaches. So we're going to do something special today. We're going to have Jonathan go face down, and we are going to walk through an adjustment to show you how we've been helping him. So go ahead, face down for me, Jonathan. Okay, so here at Infinite Wisdom, one of the first things that we focus on is correcting the whole pattern. So we have to look at the whole body. Now, he came in with neck pain, but if his hips are off and his mid-back's off and something's off with his foot, and we just correct the neck pain, the pain will always keep coming back, right? And I'm sure we've all been through cycles where we've been in pain and it just keeps coming back. That's typically because there's underlying things going on through his whole system that's not being addressed, and that's what we're gonna do today. Feeling up the spine. Up the spine, yeah, there's some compression right here. This is middle of his back, and the compression's kind of wrapping around his rib cage like this, so I'm probably going to do the first adjustment right into this space. This is a pretty powerful adjustment that we do on a lot of people here at the practice to really help release that mid-back tension. It brings a lot of breath into the system and helps you take bigger and fuller, more expansive breaths. All right, Jonathan, scoot back just a little bit for me. You got it, awesome. Cross your arms again. Perfect, perfect. Tuck your chin. So I'm just feeling where is the most compression in his system right now. And it's right here. Open the space up. You're good. We're going to connect right here. Okay, start to fall back. I got you, I got you. Got you, got you. Head goes back. Nice. Let it go. Beautiful. Come up for me. Huge release there. Go ahead, lay face up again for me, Jonathan. Face up. All right, so huge release in that mid-back. Now we're gonna check the neck. And like I said, Jonathan was dealing with a lot of deep compression and tension on the right side of his neck, upper neck and middle neck, and it was radiating down into his shoulder. So we've really been able to help decompress the spine with the specific chiropractic adjustments to help open up space on the right side of his neck so the pain can start to relieve and resolve. So first thing I'm noticing, right side, we're gonna adjust that. Nice and easy. Beautiful. So huge release there. And then left side, lower. This is around C6, C7. Perfect. And then we're going to do a decompression pull to put a bow on top here. Let it go. Perfect. Jonathan.
Perfect.
Awesome. How you feeling?
Better.
Better? Yeah. Perfect.